Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be playing with some new makeup. Most of this makeup is actually from Tjmaxx or Marshalls. I have a couple things from Tjmaxx, from Ioni Cosmetics. The main star of the show is going to be the Norvina palette that I found in my local Tjmaxx. And yeah, so this is what we use on the eyes. We also use a bunch of other new makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, my thoughts on everything, of course, just keep on watching. Before that, don't forget, if you like drugs or makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video, if you like it, then the video's going to start right now. Alright, so we're just gonna get started. First of all, I do have my fan facing me because it is so hot today. I'm not even kidding, like it's really hot, which is why we're gonna start with eyes today. But first off, we're gonna take the I Heart Revolution Fruity Pebbles Lip Oil. And I did find this at my local Tjmaxx for $3.99, which is such a great price. I also did buy a lip gloss from this collection, which you guys have seen before. But again, this is the Fruity Pebbles Lip Oil, and it is like a greeny kind of moment. It does come with a little roller ball. I have used this before just to try it out, and it's actually pretty nice. And it smells really good as well. Alright, next taking the Tjmaxx Eyebrow Pencil that I pulled in for the month of September, which is the LA Colors Brow Pencil in the shade Black. I'm just going to go ahead and fill out the brows now that we're here. And again, this one just kind of gives me a more natural finish, opposed to the other video where I used it with the pomade. It's just like, I just prefer the pencil just by itself. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I like to use this one just to clean up my brows, also on the under eyes, but especially to clean up the brows just because of how full coverage it is. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm also just gonna prime the lid with this product as well. All right, so that's what we have so far. The eyebrows are like, I don't know, something's going on with them today, but we're just gonna move on. We're gonna get into the eyes. I'm gonna take this product that I found at Marshalls for $9.99, which is the Norvina palette. This one's called the Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2. Look at how stunning this packaging is. It's so beautiful. And again, $9.99 at Marshalls. They also have them at Tjmaxx, and they have all the other ones as well. I don't know how many volumes she came out with in total, but they're all there. And this is how the actual palette looks. It's super cute. I love how compact it is, and I love how it feels as well. And there's a look at the inside. You do get a Norvina sticker on the mirror, and this is the color story we're going to be working with today. I'm thinking going on the more orangey purple vibe, not sure. And then I also do have this little palette from LA Colors. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw that I found these at Family Dollar, and these are the little carrot palettes. They're super cute. This actually isn't attached to the palette, so I'm gonna have to rip it off soon, but doesn't it look cute? It looks like a little carrot. And again, this one's just the, oh, this is the one in Hello Gorgeous. So super cute, and I have swatched it before. However, I haven't used it on camera, mostly for that orange shimmer shade in the middle, just in case we need more orange in this look. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna take the Norvina palette, and I'm gonna start building up the two brightest oranges in here, which is this one here and that one. And these little palettes actually don't have names to them, which is interesting. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna remove the sticker. Guys, I cannot with this heat. It is so hot. Today I'm finally gonna go cut my hair. Thank goodness. It's just way too long. I'm like trying not to be too harsh, because you know when your hair just gets to that point where you're just like, I don't care, just cut it all off. I was thinking up here, but that may be too short. I don't know. I kind of have to think it through, okay girl, because I know I'm gonna regret it. I hate, oh my gosh, these are super powdery. I always end up regretting cutting my hair because I love when it's long. So I'm gonna try not to be too hasty. I'll probably cut it a nice like medium length or something. These are really pigmented, but again, they're just extremely powdery. So keep that in mind if you're not into that. If you guys also shop at Tjmaxx and Marshalls, do you guys know if the big palettes have been available at Tjmaxx or Marshalls? Just because like I haven't seen them, but interesting that all the small ones ended up there. They always have like Subculture available there. They always have the Riviera palette there, the one that I have. They always have, oh gosh, they've never had Modern Renaissance at Tjmaxx and Marshalls that I've seen. But if you like Anastasia, definitely go check those stores out, because they tend to carry a lot of high-end brands. Again, very affordable. And if you're into like makeup finds, I do post all of that on my Instagram. Literally makeup from drugstore to high end. And I've also been dipping into like more fun kind of finds, like candy finds and gummy finds. Go check it out. Check out my page, share it with friends. You know, we're all here to support each other. Let me know if you have a TikTok or Instagram down below so I could follow you. We all need to support each other. So I'm like building up these two shades and they're building up so nicely. I'm gonna take the purple shade on the bottom. It's so nice. Give you guys a swatch. Again, extremely powdery, but it's okay. I'm gonna take it on the outer corner here. They're actually making a really beautiful like sunset vibe. I also did just post some like Marshall's sales section finds, and the other palette that's like part of this collection, I don't know if it's volume 1, with the black and white packaging, that one was on sale for $8. So definitely go check it out. I didn't really like need another one, you know. I have so many eyeshadow palettes already in my collection, but this one just called out to me. So beautiful. Wow, I'm like really impressed right now. This is so nice. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the orange from the little LA Colors palette in the center. Kind of tempted just to take it with my finger. That's how that looks. It's stunning. Oh, and it always looks so metallic when I use my finger. Oh, look at that color. It's so beautiful. I just could never get into that inner corner portion just because of my nails. I'm taking the brush and just kind of patting it towards the center, the inner portion. Going back to the palette, I'm just going to start blending out once again this outer corner. All right, next we're dipping into liners. The first one here is the Huda Beauty. This is called their Life Liner. I Am Very Vanta Extreme Black. I don't know. I actually did purchase this. I believe it was also at Tjmaxx. I don't remember how much it was, but I'm sure it was affordable. Or maybe I bought it on the Ulta website on sale. I honestly don't remember. But there is how that looks. It does come with a gel side and a liquid side. So we are going to use only the liquid side today, and I am almost finished with this, which is why I'm using it more often. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the wing. It's already like drying out. I'm also going to take the City Color Be Bold color liner. I believe this one here is in peach, and again this is more like an orangey kind of vibe. Alright, so that's what we have going on so far. I think it looks so good. However, the liquid liner is drying up, so I am going to have to not use this anymore, but it had a good run, okay? The gel side is honestly works really great. Yeah, it sucks that the liquid liner is kind of drying up, but we were able to get a wing going, so that's good. Next, I'm going to take my City Color Be Baddie Mascara. This one's so cute. Again, this one's also in my Shop My Stash. If you haven't watched it, for the month of September, it's going to be linked down below. I just chose a bunch of makeup that I really wanted to use. I had been sticking with more themes lately. Just kind of wanted to choose for fun, you know. And this is one that I really much enjoy. Next, we have a couple things for the lashes. The first one is this Ioni lash glue. This is just the regular lash glue in a different type of packaging. It is a clear one, so I am going to use this today because my other one is drying up as well. And then I have the Salon Perfect light and fluffy lashes. It comes in a pair of 2. These also came with a pair of press-on nails. I literally bought this Christmas season last year and I never use them. So again, these are the light and fluffy natural lashes in number 693. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on and we'll be back. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and get into complexion. The first primer I'm gonna go in with is the A+ No Pore face primer, which is also almost out of my collection. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use up the remaining bit that's in here. It's like literally almost out. So this is definitely meant to smooth out the face. It gives you a nice like blurred look to the skin, so I've really been enjoying it. But again, it's like almost out, so I'm just gonna blend that in. Next, I'm taking the SHEGLAM Birthday Skin Primer, which is this pink kind of moment, and I'm just gonna take 2 dabs in the inner portion. I'm just gonna spread it out all over on the forehead, on the chin. For foundation, I'm gonna take the SHEGLAM Complexion Pro liquid foundation, and this is a mattifying foundation. It's like really matte. This is also very full coverage. So let's see how this goes. I haven't used this foundation in a long time. I'm also just going to quickly cream contour the skin with my e.l.f. quad. Taking my SHEGLAM Modern Love Lip and Cheek product in the shade Hug Me. These are actually really nice. I love the doe foot applicator. The formula is actually really nice as well. It just kind of like blends in really easily, and this color is so pigmented. I always tend to overdo it, but it is what it is. It's stunning. If you ever have the same problem, just go back with your sponge and it should tone it down. Next, taking Flexitarian real quick. Just gonna throw a little bit of highlight on these cheekbones. All right, now we're ready for concealer. First off, I'm gonna take my LA Colors Color Correct or Conceal Correct in Peach. I'm gonna take some of that. I was really looking forward to this video because we're going more full coverage today, opposed to these couple of days where I've been more into a natural look, especially for work. It's just quick and easy with the complexion. So today we're going full coverage. I'm just gonna blend those two in. Like super quick and easy. All right, taking my Beige Cosmetics Totally Plastic Contour Palette. If you guys watched one of my last videos, I do like to take the lighter shades and just kind of set the under eyes with those. So I'm just taking those on a little puff from SHEGLAM. These little puffs come so much in handy. Is that right? They come in handy so much. I'm also going to take that all over the T-zone area as well. And the remainder of the face I'm going to set with the e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder. I'm like almost through. I kind of want to do lips right now. So first off, we have the Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Scorpio that I am trying to use up. I have had this for a long time. Let me go ahead and wipe it before it gets everywhere. But I do have quite a bit left. Oh my goodness. All right, now that I lined the lips, I'm going to go ahead and take the Ioni liquid lipstick in the shade Big Bank. It also has a different name. So when it comes in this packaging, it's called Big Bank, but the actual name is Dark Red. And it is one of their liquid lipsticks, long-lasting formula with a matte finish and an ultra comfortable wear. That's how it looks in the back. It is very vampy, which I'm super excited about. Ooh. All right, and then we have two Remy Rose glosses. Both of them look very similar, except this one here has glitters in it, so it's more of their glitter formula. And then we have this one, which is part of their regular formula. So they don't really have names on them. I honestly don't remember, but I did haul these recently. I believe it was in a 99-cent store video, like a haul video, but I'm not sure if I want to go sparkly or just regular. I think I'm just going to take this one here. I'm taking the wand from the liquid lipstick with a little bit of gloss on it. So I do have the AOA Studio Gel Liner in the shade Sand Dollar, which is a nude. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the waterline here. I'm taking some of that purple shade on the lower lash line as well. Last part that we need is all of the face products just to bring some more color back to the face. First, taking the AOA Studio Perfect Bronzer Powder in the shade Latte. This one's also in my Shop My Stash. It's such a beautiful color as well. I love it. So far so good. The face is looking really nice. I really love how the eyes came out. For blush, I really wanted to go in with this little palette. This one's from Princesa and this is their blush quad. And it does come in two variations, but I really have been wanting to use this orange shade here. It's so stunning. So we're going to see how it looks. And this one here is in Mars Dust. Wow, it really does tie in well with the eyes. It looks so pretty. Lastly, we're taking one of the AOA Studio highlights. These are part of their Papa collection, so it is more than $1. It's probably like $1.55 or something. And this one's called their Glow Within Illuminating Powder in the shade Brunch Date. And it looks so stunning. So I'm going to take some in the inner corner and on the face as well. It looks so pretty. All right, and lastly, I'm going to go ahead and take the BH Cosmetics Paradise Refresh Setting Mist, and we're going to end it. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I think today we are actually having a really good makeup day opposed to yesterday, where it was a complete opposite, to be honest. First off, let's talk about the new products that I used today. The lashes, 10 out of 10. I really like them. They're really pretty. However, I really wish I could have cut them, but I don't have my little scissors with me today. So I did have to put them on the way that they came, and they're honestly still really pretty. I would just kind of cut them down a little bit, but so pretty, so fluffy. Definitely worth it. The eyeshadow palette, I was really surprised of how vibrant these shades actually are. They do build on each other. They are very like neon-esque. So I was a little scared that they were going to be really patchy. This was extremely powdery. However, the shades built up on each other really well, and I think everything just tied in really nicely. And I think the shimmer from the LA Colors palette really did tie everything together as well. The blush from the Princesa Quad is so stunning. The one in Mars Dust, it just tied everything in together so beautifully, and it worked out so well. So pigmented, so be careful when you're dipping into these. But I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is on the Shop Miss A website. So if you want it, that's where you can find that. Next, let's talk about lips. We have a couple of products. We have the Revolution Fruity Pebbles little lip oil. I thought this was cute. It smells really good, feels good on the lips. Next, we have the liquid lipstick and the gloss. I think they paired together so well, and I'm definitely feeling the lips today, and it looks so great with the eyes as well. It's just so good. So definitely enjoyed these as well, and that's it. We made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, the names of the prices, is going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.